Welcome to our lesson on chemical reaction. Today, we will explore various situations in daily life and learn how to recognize chemical reactions. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of chemistry. Milk left at room temperature during summers. Imagine a hot summer day, and a glass of milk left on the table. What happens to the milk when it's exposed to the warm air? As the temperature rises, a chemical reaction takes place, altering the properties of the milk. The lactose, a sugar present in the milk, reacts with bacteria in the air. This reaction causes the milk to sour, resulting in a change in odor and taste. This transformation is a clear sign of a chemical reaction. Iron tawa, pan, nail left exposed to humid atmosphere. Let's now consider an iron tawa or pan left exposed to a humid atmosphere. What happens to the iron when it's in contact with moisture in the air? Iron tawa, pan, nail left outside. Over time, something interesting happens. The moisture in the air reacts with the iron, leading to a process called oxidation. As a result of oxidation, a reddish-brown substance known as rust forms on the surface of the iron. This chemical reaction changes the appearance and properties of the metal. Now, let's explore the process of fermentation. Imagine a bunch of grapes left in a warm place for some time. Grapes naturally contain sugars. When exposed to the warm environment, these sugars undergo a chemical reaction with yeast present on the grape skins. This reaction, known as fermentation, converts the sugars in the grapes into alcohol and carbon dioxide. That's why grapes can be used to make wine and other fermented beverages. In our daily lives, we often witness chemical reactions while cooking. Consider a pot of food being prepared on a stove. As heat is applied to the ingredients in the pot, a series of chemical reactions occur, transforming the raw ingredients into a delicious meal. These reactions involve changes in color, taste, and texture. Proteins denature, starches gelatinize, and flavors develop as the chemical composition of the ingredients undergoes transformation. Now, let's dive into our own bodies and explore the chemical reactions involved in food digestion. When we eat, our digestive system breaks down the food through a series of chemical reactions. Enzymes and acids help to break down complex molecules into simpler ones, providing us with energy and nutrients. Carbohydrates are broken down into sugars, proteins into amino acids, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. These smaller molecules are then absorbed by our body for various metabolic reactions. Lastly, let's consider the process of respiration, which happens every moment of our lives. When we breathe in, oxygen from the air enters our lungs. But what happens to the oxygen once it reaches our cells? Inside our cells, a chemical reaction called cellular respiration takes place. Oxygen combines with glucose, a sugar molecule derived from the food we eat, to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. This energy is essential for the functioning of our body, allowing us to perform various activities. The carbon dioxide produced is released from our cells and expelled from our bodies when we exhale. As we have seen, chemical reactions are all around us, shaping our daily lives in countless ways. Whether it's the changes in milk, the rusting of iron, the fermentation of grapes, the cooking of food, the digestion process, or the respiration that keeps us alive, chemical reactions play a vital role. By understanding and recognizing these chemical reactions, we can better appreciate the world we live in and the intricate processes happening within our own bodies. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of chemical reactions. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of how substances transform and interact. Remember to keep exploring the fascinating realm of chemistry. Until next time.
For more videos, stay tuned with us.